Nerve damage affects an estimated 20 million Americans each year and can be life-threatening in severe cases. It's a surprisingly common condition that can cause everything from tingling and numbness to throbbing pain. While nerve damage can seem daunting, there are effective strategies to manage it and encourage nerve repair. In this video, we'll explore 12 of the best foods you can incorporate into your diet to support a healthy nervous system and potentially aid in nerve regeneration. So, get ready to discover your dietary heroes. First, let's understand what nerve damage is and why it occurs. Nerve damage occurs when nerves are impaired or disrupted, leading to a variety of symptoms that can affect mobility, sensation, and bodily functions. It can happen due to various factors, such as physical injury, disease, or nutritional deficiencies. When nerves are damaged, they struggle to transmit signals properly between the brain and other parts of the body, resulting in pain, weakness, numbness, or tingling sensation. Injuries like trauma or accidents can directly damage nerves by stretching, compressing, or cutting them. Diseases such as diabetes, autoimmune disorders, and infections like shingles can also lead to nerve damage by affecting nerve structure or function over time. Additionally, deficiencies in essential vitamins and minerals such as vitamin B12 or B6 can contribute to nerve damage by impairing the nerve's ability to repair and regenerate. Understanding nerve damage is crucial as it shows the importance of maintaining a healthy diet and lifestyle. Let's explore what a balanced diet includes. Let's begin by counting down to the best food for nerve repair, beginning with citrus fruits at number 12. Citrus fruits such as oranges, lemons, and kiwis play a crucial role in nerve health due to their high vitamin C content. Vitamin C is crucial for nerve health as it acts as an antioxidant, protecting nerve cells from damage caused by free radicals. These harmful substances can lead to oxidative stress, which vitamin C helps to reduce, thereby supporting nerve function. Additionally, vitamin C plays a vital role in collagen production, a protein essential for the structural support of nerve tissues. Adequate collagen levels aid in repairing damaged nerves and promoting their regeneration. Citrus fruits are excellent sources of vitamin C, along with fiber, folate, and potassium, which contribute to overall health. Including a variety of citrus fruits in your diet ensures a steady intake of these beneficial nutrients, supporting nerve repair and maintenance. 11. Green tea. Green tea is a popular beverage celebrated for its potential health benefits, especially for nerve health and repair. It contains antioxidants known as polyphenols, which help combat oxidative stress in the body. This stress can harm nerve cells over time, and by reducing it, green tea supports nerve maintenance and repair, potentially aiding in the regeneration of damaged nerve tissue. Research suggests that a prominent polyphenol found in green tea, epigallocatechin gallate, or EGCG, appears to have a significant impact on supporting nerve health. EGCG exhibits anti-inflammatory properties and helps shield nerve cells from harm, which is particularly important in conditions such as peripheral neuropathy and neurodegenerative diseases. Green tea also contains natural caffeine, which acts as a mild stimulant for the nervous system. This can improve alertness and cognitive function, indirectly promoting nerve health by enhancing neural activity. To enjoy green tea's benefits, it can be consumed hot or cold, plain or flavored. Moderation is important, especially due to its caffeine content. 10. Berries. Berries, especially blueberries and strawberries, are rich in antioxidants like anthocyanins, flavonoids, and vitamin C, which are crucial for nerve health. These antioxidants protect nerve cells from oxidative stress by neutralizing harmful free radicals that can otherwise damage nerves and impair their function. Moreover, berries have anti-inflammatory properties that can effectively reduce nerve inflammation. By decreasing inflammation, berries create a more conducive environment for nerve repair and regeneration, potentially easing nerve damage and alleviating associated pain. Vitamin C found in berries supports nerve health by promoting the production of collagen, essential for maintaining nerve cell structure and facilitating repair processes. It also aids in the absorption of other nutrients vital for nerve function, enhancing the body's ability to heal damaged nerves effectively. Whether enjoyed fresh, frozen, or blended into smoothies, berries provide a convenient source of vital nutrients. Their natural sweetness makes them a delicious option for improving diet quality and supporting enhanced nerve function. 9. Avocados. Avocados are a nutritious powerhouse known for supporting nerve health due to their rich blend of vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats. Vitamin B6, found abundantly in avocados, plays a vital role in nerve function by aiding in the production of neurotransmitters. These chemicals are essential for transmitting signals between nerve cells, promoting effective communication throughout the nervous system. Additionally, avocados provide a good source of vitamin E, which acts as an antioxidant. This property helps protect nerve cells from oxidative stress, thereby supporting nerve health and potentially aiding in nerve regeneration processes. The combination of vitamin B6 and vitamin E makes avocados particularly beneficial for those seeking to enhance nerve repair and maintain overall nervous system function. Moreover, avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, which contribute to the integrity of nerve cell membranes. This integrity is crucial for efficient nerve signal transmission, ensuring optimal nerve function throughout the body. 8. Whole grains. Whole grains are essential for nerve health and repair. Brown rice, quinoa, oats, and whole wheat bread are rich in nutrients crucial for proper nervous system function. Vitamin B1, or thiamine, found in these grains helps convert nutrients into energy, vital for nerve signals and muscle function. Fiber in whole grains maintains stable blood sugar levels, crucial in preventing nerve damage and diabetes. Antioxidants like vitamin E protect nerve cells from oxidative stress, supporting cell integrity and repair. Magnesium in whole grains aids nerve function, promoting relaxation and tissue repair. Incorporating whole grains into your diet is simple. Opting for whole grains like brown rice over white rice, or choosing whole wheat bread instead of white bread boosts nutrient intake. This supports nerve health and improves overall well-being by supplying sustained energy and essential nutrients. 7. Ginger. Ginger is a powerful root that boasts strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties vital for protecting and repairing nerves. Inflammation frequently causes nerve damage, contributing to conditions such as neuropathy. Ginger addresses this by reducing inflammation through the inhibition of pro-inflammatory cytokines and enzymes. This not only alleviates pain, but also fosters an environment that supports nerve repair. By moderating inflammation, ginger promotes the integrity and proper functioning of nerve cells. Additionally, ginger is rich in antioxidants like gingerols and shogiols, which neutralize harmful free radicals. These radicals cause oxidative stress that harms nerve cells, impairing their function. Adding ginger to your regular meals in the form of teas, smoothies, or foods is a fun way to take advantage of its nerve protective qualities. While ginger holds its ground at number 7, excelling at soothing inflammation and promoting nerve health, let's not forget another powerhouse, legumes, which claim their spot at number 6 with unique benefits of their own. Legumes, such as beans, lentils, chickpeas, and peas, are packed with essential nutrients that promote nerve health and repair. These foods are rich in protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals, critical for nerve function. Protein in legumes provides amino acids necessary for repairing nerve tissues. This supports the body in regenerating damaged nerves and maintaining neurological health. Legumes are rich in B vitamins such as folate, B9, and thiamine, B1. Folate is vital for DNA and RNA synthesis, essential for cell division and repair. Thiamine aids in preserving the myelin sheath around nerves, facilitating effective signal transmission. Moreover, legumes provide substantial quantities of magnesium and potassium. Magnesium promotes nerve relaxation and diminishes inflammation, which may alleviate symptoms of nerve damage. Potassium supports optimal electrical activity in nerve cells, ensuring efficient signal transmission. 5. Leafy green vegetables. Leafy green vegetables like spinach, kale, collard greens, and Swiss chard are crucial for supporting nerve health and repair due to their rich nutrient content. They are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that promote nerve function and regeneration. Folate, also known as vitamin B9, found abundantly in leafy greens, plays a vital role in DNA synthesis and repair, essential for the growth and maintenance of nerve cells. It aids in producing neurotransmitters, which help nerve cells communicate, supporting overall nerve function and repairing damaged nerves. These vegetables are also rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that protects nerve cells from oxidative stress caused by free radicals, reducing nerve damage and promoting repair. Vitamin C additionally supports collagen synthesis, crucial for the structural integrity of nerves. Leafy greens provide important minerals like magnesium and potassium, vital for nerve transmission and muscle function. Magnesium regulates nerve function, while potassium maintains proper nerve signaling. Incorporating leafy greens into your diet regularly, whether raw in salads, cooked as a side dish, or blended into smoothies, can significantly support nerve repair and maintain optimal nerve function. 4. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are vital for supporting nerve health and repair due to their rich nutrient content. These foods, packed with magnesium, vitamin E, and omega-3 fatty acids, play a crucial role in maintaining and restoring nerve function. Magnesium, found abundantly in almonds and pumpkin seeds, is essential for nerve transmission and muscle function. It regulates neurotransmitters, aiding proper nerve signaling and potentially assisting in nerve repair. Additionally, magnesium acts as a natural muscle relaxant, easing symptoms linked to nerve damage. Vitamin E, found abundantly in almonds and sunflower seeds, functions as a potent antioxidant. It plays a crucial role in protecting nerve cells from oxidative stress, which can gradually damage nerves. By defending against free radicals, vitamin E helps maintain nerve structure and promotes overall nerve health. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in flax seeds and chia seeds, help reduce inflammation, crucial for managing conditions involving nerve damage. By lessening inflammation, it supports healing processes and mitigates symptoms associated with nerve-related conditions. Whether eaten as snacks or added to dishes, they provide neuroprotective benefits. Now, while nuts and seeds work their nutritional wonders, let's spice things up with turmeric, claiming the number 3 spot as a powerhouse ingredient essential for nurturing optimal nerve health. Turmeric, a bright yellow spice commonly used in cooking, offers significant benefits for nerve health and repair. It contains curcumin, a compound known for its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties crucial for supporting nerve function. Inflammation often damages nerves, but curcumin's ability to reduce inflammation helps prevent this, promoting nerve healing and regeneration. Research indicates that curcumin protects nerve cells from oxidative stress, a process where cellular damage occurs due to an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants. Turmeric protects nerve cells from damage by eliminating free radicals and boosting the body's antioxidant defenses. Furthermore, turmeric influences various molecular pathways involved in nerve repair. It boosts the production of neurotrophic factors, proteins vital for nerve cell growth and survival. This support is essential for enhancing nerve regeneration and maintaining overall nerve health. Adding turmeric to daily meals, such as curries, soups, or smoothies, is an easy way to incorporate it into your diet. Having uncovered the remarkable benefits of turmeric, let's now reel in another nerve health powerhouse at number 2. Salmon. Salmon is an excellent choice for repairing nerve damage due to its rich content of omega-3 fatty acids, specifically eicosapentaenoic acid and docosahexaenoic acid. These nutrients are essential as they reduce inflammation in the body, including the nerves, which aids in healing. Alongside omega-3s, salmon provides a good source of protein necessary for maintaining and repairing nerve tissues. Additionally, salmon contains vitamin B12, crucial for nerve health, as it supports myelin production, the protective coating around nerves that ensures efficient signaling. Its versatility in cooking methods, from grilling to sushi, makes it easy to include in a balanced diet focused on nerve health. Nutritionists recommend consuming salmon 2 to 3 times weekly to benefit from its omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin B12, and protein. This routine supports long-term nerve function and can aid in recovery from nerve damage when combined with other nutrient-rich foods. While salmon, with its nutrient content, plays a crucial role in nerve function, there's another powerhouse food that tops the list. Get ready for the ultimate powerhouse food that reigns supreme in nerve health and repair. Drumroll please, at number 1, it's none other than walnuts. Walnuts contain omega-3 fatty acids, such as alpha-linolenic acid, which support nerve cell membranes, aiding in nerve signal transmission and reducing inflammation that can cause nerve damage. Antioxidants like vitamin E and polyphenols found in walnuts protect nerve cells from oxidative stress, crucial for maintaining nerve health and promoting repair. Moreover, walnuts are a good source of minerals like magnesium, which helps regulate neurotransmitter release and support nerve relaxation and signaling. Combined with B vitamins such as B6 and folate, walnuts offer comprehensive support for nerve function and regeneration. Research studies have highlighted the beneficial effects of walnuts on neurological health, including their potential to enhance cognitive function and protect against neurodegenerative diseases. Whether enjoyed as a snack, incorporated into salads, or utilized in baking, walnuts offer a convenient method to enrich your daily meals with nerve-supporting nutrients. Don't hesitate to introduce this delicious and nutritious gem into your diet today. It's time to give your nerves the superstar treatment they truly deserve. Remember, a healthy diet is just one piece of the puzzle. If you're experiencing nerve damage, it's crucial to consult a doctor for a personalized treatment plan.